Yeah, dear children, let us see this question. This is from chapter 5, Profit, Loss and Discount. Mohit went to a shop and bought a shirt of rupees 1680, including 12% GST. Now try to understand this first line. Mohit is a boy who went to a shop and bought a shirt, and he gave rupees 1680 to the shopkeeper. Now this amount rupees 1680 is including GST, which is 12%. Now the shopkeeper did not give receipt to him. The shopkeeper did not give receipt to him. Is it right? No, the shopkeeper should give receipt for whatever we purchase. Now find the amount of GST not paid by the shopkeeper to the government. See, he has not given the receipt because he doesn't want to pay GST to the government. Is tax evasion correct? Tax evasion means not giving the tax. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Will you tolerate this? Being a citizen of any country, you must be loyal to it, and whoever is there should not tolerate this. All of us must pay tax to the government. Why is it important to pay tax? It is very important to pay tax because the amount paid as tax is used for the economic growth of the country as well as to improve the standard of living of each of the citizen in the country. So we should all pay taxes. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Find the amount of GST not paid by the shopkeeper to the government. See, let the price of the shirt without GST be equal to X. Now, if X is the amount which is equal to the price of the shirt without GST, then X plus 12% of X must give you 1680, isn't it? Because this price plus 12% of this price must be equal to 1680. So X plus 12X by 100 is equal to 1680. This means that if you find out the LCM, 100x plus 12x, that is 112x by 100 must be equal to 1680. This means x should be equal to 1680 into 100 by 112. See, 12, last two digits. That means this is divisible by 4. And here this 80, this is also divisible by 4. So, 4 3s are 12, so 4 2s are 8, left with 3 into 32, 4 8s are 32. Here 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 0. Okay. Now see, 7 4s are 28 and 7 6s are 42. So 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 42 and 1 0. Again 4 1s are and 4 25s are. So that means x is equal to 60 into 25. So 25 zeros are 0 and 25 6s are 150. Okay. So that means before GST the cost of the shirt was rupees 1500. Now that means what is the GST then? What is the GST then? GST will be equal to 1680 minus rupees 1500. So that is equal to how much? 0, 8, 6 minus 5 is 1. Rupees 180. Okay. Now, first question. Find the amount of GST not paid by the shopkeeper to the government. See, the shopkeeper has not paid rupees 180 to the government. This is the first answer. Shopkeeper has not paid rupees 180 to the government. Okay. Now, is tax evasion correct? I have already told you. No, tax evasion is not correct. Tax evasion means stealing, not giving, cheating. So, we should say that no, cheating is not correct. So, tax evasion is not correct. Is not correct. Will you tolerate this? No, we will never tolerate this. No, we shall not tolerate this. Okay. Now, third point is, why is it important to pay tax? It is important to pay tax. It is important to pay tax because this amount is used for the economic growth and welfare of all the citizens of the country. Welfare of all the citizens of the country. How? By lifting up the standard of living.